afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question number 8, and question number 8 here says, which of the following performs quasi legislative function? Which of the following performs quasi legislative function? Now, when we talk of legislative function by the Act of Parliament or National Assembly is law making. So legislative perform law making, but here we are talking of quasi legislative function. Quasi, that is not really a legislative but part of the legislative, but this body or this organ also make laws, also make laws, maybe through the power of office or body or institution, to the power of institution of office or body. The option A says civil service, B say the executive, D say judiciary, D say the traditional institution. The body that has the power to perform quasi legislative function is the civil service. The civil service is also known as civil servants. So through the rendering of, and remember that they are under executive arm of government. So through their offices or through their parastatals, they make law indirectly. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.